Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, recording in January of 2025 in Las Vegas at MGM Grand. Just checking in here. Got upgraded to an executive king suite. Walking in the room, seeing a sort of stage light over here in the corner next to couch. You can see, turn the light on here for some extra lighting in the room. Zooming in, it has a foot pad where you can turn it on and off. To the side, we have some art on the wall and a really large couch. Lots of space here for guests. Around the corner into the bathroom, and quite a spacious bathroom. 2 separate sinks and a very large sink area. You can see amenities, hand wash, hand soap in bottles, and side mirror, perhaps for makeup. Very spacious in the bathroom. Have a shower and a tub. You can see the tub down here, and it's a curtain and a shower as part of it too. Soap holder on the side, and the typical amenities, the conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. And not only one shower and tub, but 2. A walk-in shower with a glass door, similar setup with the amenities, and the toilet in the corner. Nothing special to see. Very wide sink area, towels on the bottom, hair dryer, extra toilet paper. Have a side chair in the living room area, and another desk, a lamp, and the view outside, although just can't see much late at night. Temperature control on the wall. One here in the living room, and around the corner, you'll see another temperature control, and a very big desk for using a laptop with the TV on it as well. Many other hotel rooms, very small desk space. This is a mini bar. Can zoom in and see a message here. Sensory activated, $50 per dollar a day service fee for applying personal items. So if you're to take the smart water, you're going to get charged for it. It's not complimentary. And here there's the mini bar. We can open it and just not trigger the sensor to see what's inside. All kinds of drinks and snacks. So you don't get to use the fridge, they're saying. It's just the items they include. Seltzer, Stella. Looks like some vodka and other alcohol down here. And on the door, you can see more snacks, Red Bull, M&Ms, Bacardi rum. They gave me a VIP room key, as Platinum and Noir members get access to a VIP room where they have espresso and snacks opening at 8 a.m. So it's nice. The room key is doubling as the VIP room key. Coming around to a very large closet. You can see a large shelf space at the top, ironing board, iron, and lots of hangers and an item for luggage. Coming around to the bed area, you can see art on the wall. Large nightstand with a big lamp, and the king bed, very large as well, and an area for your shoes. Another nightstand on this side. The other temperature control on the wall. So interesting that they have 2 separate set of temperature control. The view from this side, very, very spacious. This is the executive suite. Once again, the King Executive Suite at MGM Grand, Las Vegas. 2 complimentary nights thanks to the My Vegas games, and a complimentary upgrade thanks to the MGM Platinum status. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.